I welcome you once again. In this particular training session, we are going to test what we have done so far, okay? So assuming that somebody has gotten your link, he has seen your link on any of your social media handles, and he or she has decided to buy from you, okay? We are going to do a testing to see how the platform will look like, how buying from your shop will look like. Oh, I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. So we are going to test how the online shop transaction will look like, assuming somebody has entered your shop, somebody has gotten hold of your link, and he or she has decided to buy from you. We are going to look at how the platform, the transaction will look like. So quickly, as usual, let's click on website. We need to copy the link first. So when we click on website, you can see that we have our shop here. Can you see that the shop is selected? Now, our link is here. Can you see the link? If you want to copy, you have to click on share. So when I click on share, the link is here. So as soon as I click on copy link, the link will be copied. So do you see that the link has been copied successfully? Now I can leave here. Let me go to WhatsApp. Assuming that I am sending the link. Okay, let's assume that, let me send the link. Now there's the link. When I paste the link, this is how it will look like. Can you see that this is the link? Are you getting that? So when the person clicks on this link, let's see where opening the link will take us to. That is the link to our online shop. Can you see that? The domain or the website address. So as soon as the person clicks on the link, this is where the person will find him or herself. Can you see that? This is the home page. That is why I told you that you have to design the home page. It should be attractive enough, because that is the first place the person will get to before the person will enter your shop. So you have to display some of your product that you are selling in your shop in your home page, so that when the person comes here and look at what you are selling, then he will now enter the shop to buy from you. I hope you understand that. So when the person comes here, these are the things he will see. When you are building your own online store, design it, okay, to look attractive. This is for demonstration purposes. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So we have our working hours here. We have write up about our shop, the things we are selling, okay. This is what we have. So if the person decide after going through what you have on your homepage, decides to buy, then the person will now click on shop. Then when the person clicks on shop, let's see where it's taking us to. Berumaba shop. So this is our shop. Can you see that? This is our shop. Quality, home of quality goods and services. Berumaba shop, Kanishi. We sell menswear. Can you see that? So these are the products we have. These are what we are selling. We have quality men's loafer. We have 100% cotton shirt. We have 100% cotton men's hoodie. Can you see that? So let's assume the person wants to buy a loafer. The person will click on the loafer. As soon as the person clicks on the loafer, this is what the person will see, okay? The price is 300 Ghana cedis. Now, there is a question we have to answer here. That's the question we designed ourselves. When do you want your product to be delivered to you, okay? So as I record, let me check today's date. Today's date is 26 March 2025, okay? So let's assume the person wants to receive the product on Friday. So we have Friday, 28 March, okay? Friday, 28 March 2025. Can you see that? Now, the person can select the quantity. When you click on plus, the quantity will increase. When you click on minus, the quantity will decrease. I hope it's clear. So, assuming that the person is buying only one, the price is here, 300 Ghana cedis. Can you see that? Now, the person will click on 300 Ghana cedis. That's the price. Buy now. Then here, the person will enter his name. So let's assume the person's name is Roland, okay? Roland. Then what again? His phone number. Let's say the person's phone number is 0, okay? This is the person's phone number for demonstration purposes. Then when the person clicks on continue shopping, he clicks on continue shopping. This is where he is. Can you see that? Now, in my next training session, I will teach you how to generate a promo code. Assuming that in a particular month, you want to give a discount. you can generate a promo code and give it to all your customers or specific customers. I hope you understand. It can be those who buy from you regularly. So when you design the promo code and you give it to them, when they are shopping, when they come to your shop to buy, they can enter the promo code here and the price will reduce for them. I hope you understand that. It's a beautiful platform, okay? So now let me ignore the promo code. I'll later teach you how to generate the promo code. I hope you understand that. So for now, the product is 300 Ghana cedis. So the person will now click on order now. Can you see that? Now, when he clicks on order now, let's see what is happening. Order now. So, okay, so full name is Roland. We will send receipt to this email address. So the person will enter his email address. So let me select one at random. Okay, I've selected one at random. Then the number is here. Okay, if the person has an alternative number, can you see that? An alternative number, then the person will enter the alternative number here, but it's optional. You can see that. So from here, we come to the delivery settings, delivery option. Can you see that? So select your delivery option. Click inside this box. We have that for Greater Accra. Delivery within Greater Accra is 50 Ghana cedis, Eastern region. I hope you remember we did all this. So we are now testing. So delivery within Greater Accra is 50 cedis. Eastern region is 80 cedis. Volta region is 100. Northern region is 150. We did for only 4. But you can do for all the 16 regions. So wherever you are watching this particular tutorial, it means that you can do for all the regions in your state or your country. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But for demonstration purposes, we did only 4 because I'm in Ghana. Now, let's assume that the person is in Eastern region. I'll click on Eastern region. Don't forget, Eastern region is 80 cedis. Can you see that? Then delivery address. Let me click here. And let me type in, let's say, Koforidua. Let's say street 4. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes. I don't know where you are and how they've named your neighborhood. I hope you understand that. So let's assume it's Koforidua Street 4. Now there is a question here. We designed the question. That's why I told you that if you don't want the customer to answer many questions, don't design many questions. It can be 1 or 2 important questions that you want to ask. I hope you understand that. But the first one we have here is, where exactly do you stay? Okay, so I can type in Zongo. What is your digital address? Let me type in something. Okay, AW. Okay, let me click on this. You can type. It depends on the question you ask the person. I hope you understand that. For demonstration purposes, let me use this one. Then what again? Where exactly do you want to take the product? Let's say Koforidua main station. Koforidua main station. Koforidua main station. Okay, then what is your phone number? What is your phone number? So let's say this is the phone number. So it depends on what you want. You can design the question on your own, how you want the questions you want to ask your customers. But it should not be much, because those who are buying from you, they don't have time to answer many questions. Then when do you want to receive the product? That is Friday. I think I've answered this question already. So let's say Friday 28 March. So everything is set now. Where do you stay? Another question. We designed all this. I hope you understand that. So when you click on this, we have Zongo, we have Barracks, and we have School Campus. I guess you remember. So let's say, let me click on Zongo. Okay. Then after clicking on Zongo, you have to click on Done. Then I click on Done. What next? Customer notes. If the customer has a note, the customer will leave a note here, but it's optional. It's optional. Now, this is where we are. Payment method. You see, we had 4 payment methods, but we selected only cash on delivery. So if we were to select all the 4, then all the 4 will be here. So the person will select what he or she likes. I hope you understand that. But because we selected only cash on delivery, it means we have no option than to click on that. So click inside the circuit to select it. Now, can you see that the subtotal, we have 300 cedis here. Delivery fee is what? 80 Ghana cedis. Are you getting that? So in all, we have 380 Ghana cedis. So we have to click on this to place order. 380, meaning that the price of the product is 300 cedis and the delivery rate is what? Is 80 Ghana cedis. So it's 380. When the person clicks on place order, he's placing an order. This is what is happening. I hope you understand that this is what will happen in the shop when the person enter. So you can see that the person has placed order now. The person has placed order now. This is the order ID. Can you see that? The payment type is direct payment, but the payment status is unpaid because we have not delivered the product, so we have not gotten our money yet. I hope you understand that. There is the receipt link, okay? The person can send order on WhatsApp. He can send us the order receipt on WhatsApp that he has ordered for it. I hope it's clear. Then the person can also download the receipt. So let me click on download receipt and let's see what will pop up. We are downloading the receipt, okay? Now receipt downloaded, we can open it and see. So let's open and see how the order form looks like. I hope it's clear. Let's look at how the order forms look like. Okay, so this is how the order form looks like. Very beautiful. Can you see that? This is the order receipt. Now we have the name of the shop here. Can you see that? Then today's date. Can you see that? Bill to Roland, his Gmail account, his number, his address. I hope it's clear. From this, our shop details. Payment method is cash. Can you see that? Payment status is unpaid because we have not delivered the product yet, so we have not taken our money. Then the item is quality men's loafer. Quantity is 1. Unit price is 300 cedis. Amount is 300 cedis. This is the customer form. This is the form he filled. Okay. So where exactly do you stay? Zongo. What is your digital address? That's the address. Where exactly do you want to take your product? Koforidua main station. What is your phone number? Is there. Then when do you want to receive the product? 28 March 2025. Where do you stay? Zongo. I hope you understand that. So then here we have subtotal is 300 cedi. Discount is 0. I hope you understand that because we did not give them a promo code or discount code. I will later teach you that. Then delivery is 80 cedis. So the total is 380 cedis. So this is the order receipt. Are you getting that? This is the order receipt. Now let me leave here, go back to where we were, okay? Before we opened the receipt. Before we opened the receipt, let's see. Okay, so now let's click on website, okay? After the person has made an order, let's go to website and see what is happening. So when we click on website, scroll up, we have orders. Do you see orders here? We have orders here. So click on orders. When you click on orders, this is the order. We have a pending order. We have not delivered yet. So pending orders, we have 1. Unpaid orders is 1. Can you see that? I hope it's clear. You can see that it's pending. Now, when we deliver, because we have gotten the details. So when we deliver, let me click on this. Let me click on this order. Now the order is here. You can see the name of the person here, 380 cedis. Payment status is what? Unpaid. Payment type is what? Is cash. These are the details of the person. These are the details. I hope you understand that. So the ID number, order date, order source, address, call, okay? So you can call the number. You can call the person because his number is here. You can WhatsApp him. Then his Gmail account is also here. I hope you understand that. So from this, then you deliver. When you deliver, after delivering, you come and open the order receipt and you click on update status. I hope you understand that. When you click on update status, then quickly, this is no more pending. So we are pending, processing, shipped and delivered. So when we deliver and take our money, then we click on delivered, then we save. I hope you understand that. Then as soon as you do that, you can see that order status is delivered. It means we have taken our money. I hope you understand that. So let me go to home. Let me go to website. Let me scroll up. Let me click on orders. Do you see that now the pending orders is what? 0. Unpaid orders, 0. Why? Because we have delivered it and we have changed it to what? Delivered. So the system has recorded that there's no order again because we have delivered it. I hope you understand that. So this is how the platform will look like. Are you getting that? It's very, very important. So let me go to the home page again. So I'll end this particular training session here and I'll continue with you in the next training session. It's a bye-bye for now.